Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a awesome site where you can make money so quickly for free and withdraw it for real. It really works. For this you have to watch this video until the end. Don't skip any part of it, otherwise you will miss something important. And yeah, there is a twist at the end of this video. Now let's get started. The site link is in the description box. If you sign in with that link, you will get a bonus of $35. You can see that I have $579 and I have earned it in one day. You can also see that I have 2 referrals, 24 clicks and 8 tokens. Now let's talk about how you can withdraw your money. There are several options where you can withdraw your money. Now see, you can withdraw your money through PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin and mailed check. I will prefer you to withdraw it through PayPal or Bitcoin. If you have any doubt about withdraw, then they have plenty of payment proofs. Now see, these people have withdrawn their money, so on. Are you satisfied now? Now let's see how to withdraw. Now see, here is an option to withdraw. But for withdraw, you have to fulfill these tasks. You need 17 clicks, 5 referrals and 12 tokens, and also you have to at least $50 in your account to withdraw your money. After fulfilling these tasks, you can withdraw your money. Now it's time to talk about how you can make money so quickly through this site. I will show you that very soon. You can earn money sharing your link through social media, and you can also earn money playing some quiz and doing some survey. If you want me to make a video on how to earn money through this site, then write a comment on the comment box. I will definitely make a video on it. That's all for now. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share.